In this video, I want to show you how to fix the Bluetooth of your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 in case you're having issues with it. First thing to try is to actually drag down from the top right corner of your phone, select the power button and click on restart. You may have to confirm, restart and reboot your phone. Nothing will be deleted. It will take 2 minutes. It will come back and try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device. This solves so many issues, including Bluetooth. If this didn't work, what I suggest is that you reset the Bluetooth of your phone. Drag from the top right corner, select the settings icon, click the magnifying glass and type reset. Click on reset, and from here reset, go down, and over here you have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So your Wi-Fi settings will also be reset at the same time. Click reset settings, and hopefully after doing this everything will work perfectly. If you're still having issues, let me continue with another tip. Drag down, go into the settings icon, go down, and this time I'm going to select right over here, software update. If there is a software update pending, there's a good chance that it could fix your Bluetooth issues because you're probably not the only one having them. So over here, click on download and install. If there is one, it will be presented to you, and click install now. If nothing works and you're still having frustrations because your Bluetooth is maybe disconnecting or maybe not reliable, what you can do is to do a factory reset, which will reset the whole phone and it will be like a brand new phone. And hopefully this will also solve Bluetooth. To do a factory reset, simply go in the settings and type reset, reset, reset. Go down and select factory data reset, which will delete everything. As you see here, click reset, and fortunately after doing this you'll have to set up your phone again and your Bluetooth will start working. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if one of these worked, or if you have any other tips, let me know. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.